Destinee Resources is a front-end service seismic company. We generally employ anywhere between 200 and 500 people, depending upon time of year. We average about 4.5 million kilometers on the road every year, with approximately 100 vehicles. They work in very remote areas, and driving has been an issue for us in the past.
We're trying to get it into our guys' head that we want them to leave their house in the morning and return home at night safely. We believe, obviously, driving at a certain speed is going to result in that. Doing 130, 140, 150 even, in our view, is not safe.
We had seen an escalation in minor accidents and other accidents that would be in excess of $10,000 damage to vehicles. And we had unbelievable wear. What it really showed to us is that we had excessive speeds on bad roads, because that's what was pounding these vehicles to pieces in less than 100,000 kilometers. Fuel costs are one of our highest costs. We saw that there was an opportunity to save a tremendous amount of money. So we knew that if we could actually reduce the speed, even by an average of 5%, we would actually save money on having a tracking system. We needed something that would give us a bit of an edge as to how to monitor what the vehicle use really and truly was, and how we could try and reduce what was happening in the field. The fleet tracking system was the best solution for us because of the intuitiveness of the software. We have people that can just barely turn a computer on, and we also have computer programmers. Every one of those people use the tracking system. We let people know that the tracking systems had been installed, and we set the speed limit at approximately 130 kilometers an hour on 110 kilometer an hour highways. We got multiple emails from the system, more than expected, actually. Once people really and truly understood what the monitoring system was all about, we dropped the speed by 5 kilometers an hour. We gradually got less and less emails from the systems. People were slowing down. That worked quite well for a month, and then we dropped it to 120, and it has worked extremely well. And now we've actually reduced the speed to an average of about 115 kilometers an hour. Right now, we do truly believe that we're saving approximately 10% in our on-road fuel costs, and that would be $250,000 per year. On an average year, depending upon how busy we are, we would have a range of anywhere between $100,000 and $200,000 in maintenance. By reducing the speed, we've saved at least 10% on our maintenance.
I guess the biggest surprise to me was actually how easy it was to use it. I don't need to make that phone call 6 times a day. It's just a quick check. It's one click of the button.
It's amazing. Our CEO and our vice presidents, they're at the point where they want to put it in everything. ATVs, owner-operator vehicles, and probably all of our subcontractors' vehicles. You know what? I really don't know how we got along without the fleet tracking system.